Yes, Your Lordship.
of that bundle?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Shormishta Datta?
Yes, yes.
To intimate your other side
Yes, Your Lordship.
before the court rises
Obliged.
in the second session.
Obliged.
Call the list.
No, this is my application for.
I am agreeing on the petitioner.
My lord, before starting my learned senior, my humble submission before your lordship is that I am appealing this matter for item number, respondent number 11, my lord. The appeal has been prepared and the same is pending before the Honorable Court number 6 and that has been fixed on coming Monday for hearing. So my humble submission before your lordship is that kindly fix the hearing of today any day after coming Monday, my lord.
I object to this prayer, my lord, because my lord, on the last Monday matter was taken up, they took adjournments. So,
This is the blood, the status report.
my lord, let this contender come before your lordship and assure that when he will pay the money.
And this is something is going on. The ultimate object regarding demolition, that still stands.
Because he has to pay to
Now, my lord, the money is between the.
to these petitioners, to these persons, and 2 lakhs to the corporation on an ad hoc basis, pursuant to your lordship direction. He has paid not a single amount and he is absconding himself.
Where is the order? Is today the first day?
No, my lord,
No.
this is this was made returnable on 26th of July. Not today. Lord, this is
Show me the order, please.
yes, Lord. The Lordship will kindly
Is
come
it
to
page
page
59? 60?
Page 60, my lord, the second last paragraph.
Hmm.
The respondent number 11 is also directed to pay charges for alternate accommodation of the respondent number 13 and 14 to the tune of rupees 50 lakhs to be deposited with the Registrar General of this court by 31st of May 2024. But, the paragraph prior to this one, my lord, Lordship had also directed, my lord, learned advocate representing the corporation submits that the cost for demolition of the unauthorized structure be deposited by the respondent number 11. The respondent number 11 being responsible for causing unauthorized construction will be bound to pay the costs for demolition of the unauthorized structure. The respondent number 11 is accordingly directed to deposit a sum of rupees 2 lakhs on ad hoc basis in the treasury of the Kolkata Municipal Corporation by 31st of May 2024. Lord, the next, Lord, I have also annexed, my lord, the order passed by the appeal court, my lord. When this matter was taken up, my lord, on 3rd of June, there also, my lord, they have prayed for time. And my lord, an observation was made by the Honorable Court. Now, that is at page 63. The pendency of this appeal will not inure to the benefit of the appellant. And the respondents are at liberty to act expeditiously in terms of the impugned order dated 22nd May 2024. Thereafter, my lord, the matter was further taken up on the 5th of August. Then also, my lord, an adjournment was prayed for. And my lord, it is now fixed on 12th of August.
Respondent number 11, who is he?
The promoter.
He's the
He's a-
contempt.
Promoter.
Yes. Your lordship will please to remember that 2 elderly ladies, your lordship,
Yes.
for accommodation of particularly of 2 ladies, we have not yet fully demolished, just to accommodate these 2 ladies, mother. Partially we have demolished.
I'm issuing a contempt rule.
My lord, kindly fixed any
No.
day after Monday, my lord. My lord, I am led by Mr. Arijit Ghosh and I have been instructed to pray for adjournment, my lord.
that
kindly-
is not very important.
Appeal is
come-
pending before the Honorable Division Bench, my lord. Kindly,
But it's pending for quite some time. I can see the vacation bench's order. You didn't obtain any stay order, failed to obtain any stay order. Then 5th it was taken up, no order.
kindly,
No kindness. There must be limit to show
as a
kindness.
last chance, my lord, as a last chance.
Learned advocate representing the contemner submits that an appeal is contemner seeks adjournment on the ground of pendency of an appeal from the order violation of which the instant contempt application has been filed. Paragraph. It appears that the contemner moved the vacation bench on 3rd June 2024 and prayed for accommodation. Stop. The court clearly recorded that pendency of the appeal will not inure to the benefit of the appellant. And the respondents were given liberty to act expeditiously in terms of the order. Next. It has been submitted by the learned advocate representing the petitioners that the matter was taken up for consideration by the Honorable Division Bench again on 5th of August. When was it taken up?
5th of August. 5th of August.
5th of August 2024, when adjournment on behalf of the appellant was again sought for.
And next fixed on 12th August.
It appears from the conduct of the contender that he is not interested to proceed with the appeal, and neither taking steps to comply the direction passed by the court. Stop. For maintaining the dignity and majesty of the court, I am constrained to issue a contempt rule against the contender, returnable on 22nd of August 2024. Stop. The contender shall file an affidavit of compliance on the adjourned date. Stop. Come back on that day. Let us see.
At least they will try to proceed with the appeal pursuant this lordship's order. Yes.
Great. So the depositor cost and rules, because
I have directed within 2 weeks they should come with the affidavit of compliance, which implies that it has to be done.
the cost, depositor cost, service of
Within 7 days you have to deposit.
Yes.
That is
The other respondents, my lord, who are there, there was a direction passed by your lordship to serve upon the other respondents. It can be dispensed with, because the contempt is not against us.
serve what?
There was an earlier occasion when Madam was pleased to direct the petitioner to serve the copy of the contempt application to the respondents appearing in the writ petition. We are not in contempt, madam.
May not be in contempt. Maybe your presence was required for some purpose, and that is the reason there was a direction.
Because the entered building was directed to demolish pursuant to a lordship direction. Now the portion has been demolished, and for the purpose of accommodation of the old ladies, the rest portion is there. And there is a direction for not to disconnect. So for that portion is concerned.
Purpose.
There was already a direction for disconnection. We have disconnected.
Yes. So if something happens, that's why my lord was pleased to opine that everyone should be there. It is not for the purpose of
for 1 or 2 days. Let us see how soon.
It is not for the purpose of contempt.
No, they are not in contempt.
We are not in contempt.
I'm grateful.
The requirement of the police may be there. That is the reason the state was directed. Please stay.
As you lord. Great.
My lords, I appear on behalf of the petitioner in the matter. My lords, perhaps this matter is incorrectly appearing by your lordship's last order of 30th of July 2024. Lordship was pleased to direct us to file a supplementary affidavit bringing on record subsequent facts that have taken place pursuant to the filing of the writ petition. That supplementary affidavit we have to prepare by the 16th of August. Lordship, we are preparing that, and we have also let the other side know.
Is
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of UCO Bank.
it appearing by mistake?
State Bank.
But then this is appearing for the first time, I am told, before this bench.
Lordship, this is your lordship's last order of 30th of July. This is different matter, your lordship.
He's speaking of a different matter.
Lordship, there is some. Your lordship, I am appearing on behalf of UCO Bank. Yes, I'm carrying the wrong paper. Lordship, would it be your lordship's kind leave to keep it tomorrow, lordship? I'll come back tomorrow with the.
Are you there for the petitioner?
Yes, sir. Lordship, I am there, but I'm carrying the wrong brief, lordship.
Yes.
Yes, lordship. I have no issues with that.
Tomorrow? Not today?
Not today.
Not this week?
Not today, because on tomorrow on Friday I have some difficulty.
Next week,
Very well.
not this week. Hmm? পেয়ে গেছে My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner, my lord. The order has already been complied with. My client received the amount, my lord. This is the
On the last occasion,
come.
I placed on record the compliance.
learned advocate representing the petitioner submits upon instruction that the order passed by the court has been complied with. Stop paragraph. In view of such submission, there is no requirement of proceeding with the contempt application any further. The contempt application stands disposed.
That's grateful.
Be published.
Yes.
Any of these, right?
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner, Lordship.
My lord, I am praying for correction of the name of the learned state advocate in my lord's order, dated 5th August.
What will be the correct name?
My lord, it is mentioned as Shubhra Chatterjee. It would be Shubhasri Chatterjee.
All right. Please come. The matter has appeared in the list under the heading to be mentioned for correction of the name of the learned advocate who represented the state before this court on 5th August 2024. Stop. The correct name of the learned advocate, advocate who represented Mr. Shumonde for the state respondents is Miss Shubhasri Chatterjee and not Shubhra Chatterjee as wrongly indicated. Let this order be read along with the order dated 5th of August 24.
Grateful, my lord.
Lordship, I am for the petitioner, Lordship. Your Lordship, Miss Iti Datta is appearing for state, Your Lordship. She is like before court 18, Your Lordship. Who is appearing? Miss Iti Datta is appearing for state. Are you assisting her? No, Your Lordship. No? No, Miss, she is led by Mr. Shukla Chattopadhyay. Both are engaged, Your Lordship. 1 minute, let me hear what is it. Lordship, petitioner is a member of Uttar Kushum Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat? Sorry. Lordship, she was contested the election and secured a victory from a symbol of one political party.
Lordship, I am for the petition.
Yes.
Lordship, affidavit of service is affirmed. Just give me a few minutes. Lordship, in this matter,
Take rest. I'll just pass it over. The other side is coming. Take rest. Yes,
For the
6.
state, my lord, in this matter, my senior, Shehnaz Tariq Pina, his father is seriously health issue and he's at now Vellore, my lord. Kindly praying for 2 weeks time,
You
my
are
lord.
here.
Yes, my lord.
You are here. You are here.
No, my lord, I need his guidance, my lord, in this matter, my lord. My lord, kindly.
Let's hear what guidance you require.
My
What
lord,
is the matter?
straightway, my lord, come to 23. It is, my lord, the social security, my lord, the family pension was, my lord, given to all the my lord, widow. He provided the petitioner is at least, my lord, 1 year service. My lord, he, my lord, spent, my lord, 16 years service and therefore ill.
My lord, he
And
resigned on 1970. Oh, sorry, my lord, I'm paying apology, paying apology.
And my lord, after 15 years, my lord, he was ill. My primary teacher was ill and they stopped to go there.
He stopped going there.
Go there. Yes, my lord. So, my lord, it is, my lord, admitted fact the petitioner's husband was, my lord, unblemished, my lord, the employee in as primary teacher and spent, my lord, 16 years of service. And subsequently, my lord, the pension was not given. During that time, my lord,
No, after
pension scheme
16
was not.
1 minute. After 16 years of service, what happened?
What happened, my lord? He stopped to go there. And my lord,
Stopped
yes,
here.
he has not been terminated. No disciplinary proceedings was, my lord, initiated against him and he was not terminated. And subsequently, my lord, the pension was not, my lord, granted as my lord, pension scheme was not introduced.
Which year? Which year?
PCRP scheme was introduced, my lord, 1981.
Which year are you
71.
speaking?
That is, my lord, up to 71.
All right.
Yes.
Then,
My lord, then thereafter, my lord, the DCRB scheme
hmm,
introduced, my 1981. Wherein it has been stated that 1981, who was in service is entitled to have the pension. And also that's why he was not in service. So therefore, pension was not, my lord, given to the husband of the widow. Subsequently, my lord, considering all the aspects and so many objections and so many, my lord, representation was made, that what will be happened, my lord, if earlier who has retired and before introduction of 1981 PCR scheme, persons will be entitled to have, my lord, the pension benefit or not. Therefore, circular was passed. And that is, my lord, 25. Page 25, paragraph, my lord, your lordship will get it. Oh, sorry. 23. And paragraph 4. And the extension of the pension benefit employs the widow and the above categories was under active consideration of the state of the sampling class. After considering the fact that a social security measure, the government has been pleased to extend pension benefit under the CRD scheme 1981 to such widow of this prior to who retired or died or harness prior to 148. If the concerned employee rendered at least 1 year approved qualifying service, this is, my lord, only criteria. So therefore, my lord, we made representation.
1 minute. Died in harness or retired? Under
Retired.
which category do you fall?
Retired means, my lord, he on that day on medical ground he was retired.
Where is the medical certificate? Where is the retirement certificate?
It is not in the hand.
Then,
But what is the observation of DI, your lordship, kindly?
where is the observation of the TI? Has your prayer been rejected?
Yes.
Where is the
On the
rejection?
ground that 21.
Page 21. Yes, what is it?
21, paragraph 2. That DI, at the time of considering the representation, DI said the petitioner's husband Gopal Chandra Das was absent in the school February 70 to 71 due to her severe illness. Medical ground.
Resign.
And therefore they resigned from service. On medical ground, resigned from service. That to Supreme Court said that to be treated as, my lord, voluntary retirement. So voluntary retirement, there is scheme, my lord, you will also kindly see the scheme. Who is entitled to have the, my lord, qualifying service 10 years? Resignation, which has, there is no such paper, he tendered resignation.
My lord, on the previous.
I will hear you. Why are you getting so excited? Please take your chair. Sit down. What did you hand up?
Well, that is my lord.
Eligibility for
Eligibility
pension.
of my lord.
Yes, which one would you like to
My lord,
rely upon?
we lost. Eligibility of pension. That is my lord. 8.
Yes.
Chapter 4A.
Hmm.
Subject to satisfaction of the service and employee shall be entitled to pension provided in case of 1, 2, 3 below, the employee concerned has completed at least 10 years of qualifying service. On attaining the age of superannuation and on voluntary retirement after completing 20 years of service, and on being declared permanently incapacitated for the service by the chief medical officer and sergeant and termination of the
Which one will you qualify?
That is my qualified mailer. It can be treated as mailer voluntary retirement, as mailer, though he has completed regular service 20 years. But it has been extended by this benefit has been extended by circular that only 1 year. If only 1 year service, then mailer he is entitled to have the widow is entitled to have the benefit of the pension benefit. And everybody has been given mailer pension benefit. So my lord, it is not the criteria that my lord petitioner resigned from the service, which was not accepted. There is no such record that he, my lord, resigned, tender resignation. And thereafter, my lord,
When did he join service?
my lord, your lordship will get it. A DI asset, my lord. Yes. Well, I have put the record. Yes. That is join of service, my lord. 1955. Your lordship will get its service record, page 27. It is not disputed. Date of appointment 4/2/55. And up to 71 miler, he was serving. It is admitted by the DA. In his letter. So, my lord, I am saying that the specific circular was made in this regard. So, my lord, the persons who at least 1 year service is there, approved service is there, the widow will be entitled to have the pension. But the resignation.
When did the widow apply for pension?
My lord, that is my lord. My lord, yes.
The person was alive till 2009.
My lord.
Was any application made for pension? Did the widow apply for pension?
My lord, yes, my lord.
Where is the document?
Application was made, my lord, your lordship will get it from their affidavit. Affidavit in opposition.
In their affidavit in opposition, what has been mentioned?
That is my lord. 12/4/17. 12/4/17, page my lord, 32. Their affidavit. That is my lord, it is my lord, register.
Page 32.
Yes, thereafter, my lord, yes, yes.
32.
30.
12/4/2017.
And it was, my lord, sent through register post. And thereafter, order was passed by this honorable court.
What order was passed?
That is, my lord, your lordship will get it. Justice Orijit Banerjee was pleased to pass this order, directing the concerned, my lord, DI to consider this matter.
Yes.
And thereafter, in terms of the order passed by this honorable court, the hearing was held by the district inspector of school. The lordship will get it. The order, that is affidavit in opposition, page
Yes, I
39.
have seen that.
Page 39.
Hmm.
And in terms of the order, hearing was held, and they observed that as he resigned from the service, so I am not going to allow the grant the family. This is not the criteria in any event. There is your Supreme Court judgment. If somebody terminate due to disciplinary proceedings, then this service to be forfeited. But he has not been terminated. One copy I have.
Very well.
Your lordship kindly, it will assist your lordship. That is Supreme Court, what Supreme Court said, and my lord, we have honorable High Court. Side, online.
This is Madras High Court's order.
Madras High Court, relying on the Supreme Court judgment.
Relying on which Supreme Court judgment?
That
Which?
will, if any persons on health ground, medical ground,
In which portion? Which portion do I get that?
I have one copy. Yes, lordship.
Mark it.
Namaste. Five, 12, 13. DI only passed observed that as he resigned. So it is not the criteria.
Which one?
5.
Paragraph 5. Paragraph 5.
If persons
Yes.
if persons the stop to go there, that is medical ground, whether the service to be forfeited or not. This is the criteria.
Medical ground,
Medical.
what medical document do you have?
Medical documents, I am widow. I do not have any documents. What
So
documents?
without the documents, how can you get the relief?
No, the documents, it rely by 21, page 21, which is the DI passed this one.
Paragraph 5 that you are relying upon, there is a regulation
Yes,
over here.
I understand.
Then
my lord,
how
it
is
is my
this
lord,
regulation
it
applicable?
is I am widow. So my lord, it is not my lord. I have no medical.
You are a widow, but then it is you who is claiming the benefit.
My lord, it is that's why my lord. It is my lord. Here it is admitted.
What is admitted?
That is lordship kindly say. Paragraph: the husband Gopal Chandra was absent of the school due to severe illness. It is my lord. It is my lord. Admitted by the judge. Medical ground, it is not my lord question. He has not raised any questions against medical ground. Medical ground is okay. But now the questions, my lord, as he designed, whether it, my lord, stop the pension or not. It has been admitted by the judge. Page, my lord, paragraph 2, you also can look at it. That is page 21.
Yes.
I'm paying for the time, my lord. Kindly, my lord. Accommodate me, my lord.
You are making submission that point of time.
My lord, kindly, my lord.
Please
Kindly-
make submission. If required, I'll adjourn. Start. But this will be your stepping stone.
Learned senior, my lord. On the previous repeat, kindly, my lord. You might.
It withdrawn and my lord, liberty was given to press by.
Again, you filed an earlier petition.
It was my
Yes, my
lord,
lord.
it was withdrawn and my lord, liberty was given to my lord, press by.
Why was it
Submit.
withdrawn? Where is that order?
And my lord,
It has been
petitioner,
stated.
this husband never apply for the pensionary benefit, my lord,
Hmm.
because he know that he is not legally is not permitted.
Petitioner's husband.
Yes, my lord.
When did the husband die?
2009, my lord.
2009.
And a resignation given on the 1971, my lord.
Show me the copy of the resignation.
My lord, resignation he admitted in his previous writ petition, my lord, petitioner.
Let him admit, but there must be documents. He may make some wrong statements. She is the widow. She doesn't know what her husband has done. She does not have a single paper of her husband. You show from your records that he submitted his resignation and the resignation was accepted by the respondent authority. Show it to me, please.
No, not with me, kindly.
Not
my
with
lord.
you. Very well.
It-
Now, what are the other submissions that you would like to make?
My lord,
He did not, the teacher concerned did not make any application.
yes, my lord.
This is what you have submitted.
Okay, my
Yes. Was there a scheme? Was there any rule?
yes,
Any
my-
provision pursuant to which the teacher could have applied for obtaining pension? Don't go through the papers. These are factual things which you have heard when he was making submission,
yes, my
right? Was there any rule or provision pursuant to which the pension could have been drawn by the teacher when he was alive? Had he been in service, not granted resignation?
My lord, kindly come back with my the notification I in here, my lord. Opposition, my lord, praying for the grave leave in here, my lord.
Which notification? In the opposition, you have annexed the writ petition filed by the petitioner on an earlier occasion. Why?
Because my lord, petitioner resigned from his post, my lord. Give resignation from his post, my lord, on 1971, my lord,
Not
and
the
suppressed
petitioner.
into the present writ petition, my lord.
Not the petitioner. The husband of the petitioner.
Husband of the petitioner, my lord.
Right?
Husband of the petitioner.
She doesn't have a single document. How will you rely?
Then,
You
my lord,
are the custodian of records.
my lord, records, my lord, have the authority, concerned authority have some sudden years, my lord. Then after the years, my lord, I think they will not have the record and the proper instruction for the destroying the records, my lord. My lord, I need to come with the instruction, my lord.
Remove this blockage from your mind that somebody is leading you. Take it that you are handling the matter independently. How will you do it?
Yes, my lord.
Right? You want an adjournment, I'll adjourn it. But make sure you come prepared on the next day and place the case. Don't rely upon your senior. He'll be there to guide you. But this is how you will learn.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Please come. The petitioner is aggrieved by the
I'm turning a point of the relay picture.
order dated 14th of December 2017.
Citation bullet to one level. Kindly.
Rejecting the prayer for grant of family pension.
সাইটেশনটাও বলুন
বলবো অনলাইন
Paragraph.
দেখে বলছি তো।
On the prayer of the learned advocate representing the state respondents to come prepared in the matter. When
my lord, and I need the instruction from the concerned authority, my lord. Kindly give me the 2 weeks, my lord.
she is a widow, the husband did not see the color of the money, she will also not see the color of the money if you are delayed. Keep this in mind.
মানে 82 years old. That is now.
I'm keeping it on 19th of August.
And my lord, in the last occasion, my lord, I appeared and my lord, if submit the appeal opposition, my lord, Honorable Justice Rai Chattopadhyay, but it's not recorded, my lord, the opposition.
No, but then your opposition is on record. Do not worry about it.
Lordship, item number 3, State Council is here. Can Lordship can take?
State Council will be here. I'll finish up this bundle and then come up to you.
Grateful.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, in this matter, I am appealing for the petition.
My lord, so far this
My
issue
lord.
is concerned, my lord, before my land starts, my lord, the issue has already been decided by the coordinate bench on 4th of June, my lord. Can you see that?
No, my lord, that is the not identical issue. That is another issue. I shall satisfy your lordship. That issue with regard to the maybe come from the organizer teacher with regard to the compensation after retirement.
Let me hear.
Yes,
What is
my
it?
My lord, the petitioner come before your lordship by challenging the region order.
Petitioner is an association.
Yes, my lord, registered association. And this matter has been admitted by the Honorable Justice on dated 18 January 2024 by the then Honorable Justice Abhijit Ganguly. Have you lordship seen the order first? Then,
Yes. The maintainability point is
yes,
kept
my lord.
open.
Then I am arguing the matter, my lord. If your lordship permit me.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. The petitioner have challenged the subsequent region order passed by the Principal Secretary of the Education Department, which has been annexed with this writ petition on page 183, annexure P1. You lordship come to the turn to the annexure page 21, page 183. First. All the members of the association petitioner are the organizer teachers, my lord. Have you lordship find it? May I read it or your lordship read it?
Which portion would you like to read?
My lord, mother, there is a big reason order.
Yes. So which is the relevant portion in this case?
Relevant portion is the first. I mean, my lord, the representation regarding representation. Two types of prayer in there. Have you lordship got it? Get it? Two types of result. Page 84, 184, and your lordship come to the paragraph 5. It appears the petitioner in the representation. Push.
You want the members list or what?
Yes, all the members with the writ petitioner.
There is no members list.
Yes.
Nobody knows who are the members of your association. 1257.
I have given some member, some as a specific sample of as a member of this with this writ petition.
You are
Only
giving-
few members, but large number of members is there.
But they are not interested to continue with you. You run after them.
Yes, I am continuing with you. Therefore, I have filed my matter.
How can you file the matter?
Yes, with the capacity of registered society, I can file the matter. It is a settled position of law. You knows it very well.
Listen, it is mentioned that you do not have members. The members list is not there.
Nothing, my lord. No records was produced.
If you lordship direct me, I can submit the member list
This
with
is
the receipt also.
this is not the place. The Supreme Court was the place. Direction was
Supreme Court
upon the
directed
Legal
to-
Services Authority.
Directed to inspect, but not
They
given.
have not done anything, my lord.
Let me finish. Then you will argue. What happened in this matter? Took if you lordship permit me, I respectfully submitting you lordship. If I appeared in the examination, I
Listen.
appeared in the Madhyamik examination.
Whatever
As
is
for
there,
example, I have a right to know the result. They have verified. First part of the representation is this. They have verified, but they did not know me. What is the result?
now
What is the outcome of the verification?
then
And
you have
second part, they have thrown away. In spite of standing order of the Honorable Chief Justice of India, bench, presided by 3 judges bench, to re-inspect. But on the date, the Secretary of the Legal-Ed did not re-inspect and thrown the members, and they have taken the other 4,000 by
So what remains?
sent by some leaders.
What remains in your writ petition after your SLP stood dismissed?
SLP,
anything-
dismissal of the SLP not right cannot be extinguished.
Yes.
Extinguished. The organizer teacher have some right. You lordship knows it very well.
No, the court does not know you. Please let me know. What?
The SLP dismissed for subsequently. The mere dismissal of the SLP not extinguish the right of the petitioners.
Your
Your
existence.
the Chief Justice of India, the then Chief Justice of India.
Listen, it is the Supreme Court, not the Chief Justice. The Supreme Court has dismissed the SLP. There is nothing on record to show your existence, your members, nothing. Now you say that the
Nothing
member
has been
list.
mentioned. Nothing has been mentioned in the dismissal of the SLP. Nothing has been mentioned.
Right.
Therefore, the Honorable Justice Vijay Ganguly has, after hearing, admitted the matter and directed to my learned friend to file the affidavit.
Maintenance point
Yes.
is open, my lord.
Maybe maintenance point is open.
I do
And
not
you
find
lordship-
your members.
You lordship come to the page 185, and I am reading. However, considering the prayer of the petition of the Secretary, West Bengal Legal Service Authority may like to consider the request made by the petitioner read with orders issued by the Honorable Supreme Court of India, the High Court, Calcutta. Nothing has been done. The Principal Secretary avoided the Legal Aid Secretary. Legal Aid Secretary given power by the Honorable Supreme Court by blacklisting the Education Secretary Constituted Committee by the Supreme Court. The simple prayer I have come, 2 prayers only. One for result of the outcome of the verification. Another is to investigate the other organizations.
If that,
They have been thrown away.
if that is your prayer, this bench doesn't have the determination to hear it. If that is your prayer, this court cannot help.
The same argument.
This court can
Coordinate
cancel the.
Same argument.
I am respectfully submitting before your lordship. This court can cancel the reason order given by the. This court has ample power. I think.
Show me what is there in your favor. Everything you are submitting.
I have come with a new cause of action.
New cause of action.
Yes, I have submitted the representation for regarding what? Regarding the verification report, result and outcome of the verification which has been done in view of the Supreme Court order. I do not know still whether I have
Same
selected or not.
observation I see.
If I selected,
Same
they has to
observation.
appoint it within
Same argument,
1 week.
same line of argument is the coordinate bench has told my learned friend, if you
That
have
is
any
another
grievance,
issue.
if you have any grievance, then you appear.
After
application to
that matter 60 years cross, and the division bench of the Honorable High Court at Calcutta, presided by the then Honorable Justice Subroto Talukdar, have said some right is there.
Court has
Some right is there.
already
The coordinate bench has maintained the judicial discipline under Article 21 of the Constitution, 141 of the Constitution of
page
India.
99. Page 99.
So your lordship knows it very well. Article 141.
Page 99.
There is a
and page
division
99.
bench. Division bench order.
Forget division bench. Kindly see the observation.
Why the division bench forget? We should have maintained the discipline, judicial discipline under Article 141. The court should maintain the discipline.
If you intend to raise your voice, please remove the microphone from front of your mouth.
My lord, my learned friend,
Both keep shouting. Both keep shouting. Remove the microphone and go on shouting. I can put
No,
plugs in my ear.
you should lordship should do your lordship. My learned friend, so is
I am not saying.
why is
anything,
therefore
Lord.
I try to
orders.
First, it is my duty to apprise your lordships. Then my learned friend not maintain the decorum. What can I do? Then your lordship do your duty in accordance with law.
এখানে বোর্ড তো ফাটিয়েছে মামা।
Please come. The petitioner is a registered association of primary organizer teachers represented by its secretary. The petitioner is aggrieved by the order dated 30th of June 2023 passed by the Principal Secretary, School Education Department. Rejecting the prayer of the petitioners for being appointed as primary school teachers on the ground that no cogent documentary evidence or record has been produced or pleaded in support of their membership and that the members were parties to the writ petition being WP number 5632 within bracket W of 1998. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the petitioner submits that there are several members in the organization. Stop. The Legal Services Authority, West Bengal Legal Services Authority, ought to have provided the joint inspection report to them. But the result/outcome of the inspection was never made known to the association. Stop. Paragraph. From the documents annexed to the writ petition, it appears that the issue in question travelled up to the Honorable Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court, with a judgment dated 3rd May 2018 in Civil Appeal number 4772 of 2018, in the matter of Nobo Porjai, West Bengal Primary Organizer Teachers Association versus the State of West Bengal and others. Clearly directed that no court shall entertain any further challenge on the report thus submitted by the Secretary to the West Bengal Legal Services Authority, and there shall be no further dispute in this regard. Stop. The Secretary has been directed not to entertain any fresh applications or fresh record. Stop. Paragraph. The prayer that the petitioner is presently making before this court will virtually reopen the entire issue. Stop. As the Supreme Court has already put an end to the dispute way back in 2018, there is hardly any scope to re-agitate or reopen the issue all over again. Stop. The outcome of the report which the petitioner currently seeks cannot be directed to be made known to the petitioner at this stage. Stop. All documents were there before the Honorable Supreme Court. Stop. If the petitioner seeks any further relief, the same may be before the Honorable Court which passed the order. Stop. This bench does not have any jurisdiction to bypass or to pass any order contrary to the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in the aforesaid matter. Stop. Next. In view of the above, the relief sought for by the petitioner cannot be allowed. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed.
May I get the urgent certified copy of this order?
Absolutely urgent. Super urgent.
Of course. I have submitted the representation on the new cause of action.
Let that order be kept with the record. I shall take it back.
Whatever you wish.
No,
I have not mentioned. No, because I have not mentioned it. You can take it back also.
I have not challenged the report. I want to know the report. If you lordship pointed out it, I'll be happy.
Call
I'm
the
grateful,
next matter.
lordship.
What is the connected application of that application? Sir? Dispose it. There is an application, please dispose that of. 8.
My lord, I'm for the district primary school council. My lord, before my learned friends start,
In view of dismissal of the writ petition, the connected application also stands disposed of.
my lord,
What is
before,
it?
my lord, before my learned senior friends start, my lord, there is a challenge of 2009 selection process of South 24 Pargana. My lord, the petitioner applied under the EC and SC category. My lord, my instruction before your lordship is that, my lord, while filling up the biodata form, he is not submitting the EC certificate with the biodata form. So the council considered him as a SC candidate, not EC candidate. My lord, subsequently, my lord, what happened, my lord, plenty of challenging the 2009 selection process. My lord, some of the candidates went to the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court passes status quo order. And you rely upon that, your lordship is making all these matters out of list with the liberty to mention after the matter be. This is the 2 orders.
Yes, you have handed over 28th of August 2023.
I am not handed over. That is last occasion Mr. Shah handed over.
Whoever, somebody, I can see the order on the record.
This is the order of
Out of list? Please come.
This is the order. Relied upon that, your lordship passed that order. Similar order can be passed. Second,
the matter relates to the recruitment process of primary school teachers initiated in the year 2009. Stuff. The order dated 28th August 2023 passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in special leave petition within brackets civil diary number 25963/23 in the matter of Mollika Pradhan and others versus the state of West Bengal and others has been placed before this court. Stop. It appears therefrom that the Honorable Supreme Court directed status quo to be maintained in the matter of appointment until the next date of listing. Stop. The court has not been made aware of the next date of listing. Stop. In view of the above, let the matter be delisted for the time being with liberty to mention on disposal of the special leave petition.
Grateful. Grateful. Dada. Dada.
My lord, if your lordship kindly sees the last order, the matter is, my lord, my assessment was made wrongly. My Madhyamik and my HS marks were assessed wrongly. As a result, I was awarded less marks. And if it is correctly assessed, my lord, I will be in the impanel list and persons
Board.
On the last of it.
You are directed to take instructions.
I have not received the instruction, your lordship. Next week, Monday or Tuesday, my lord, I will. Monday.
26th. Enough time has been given.
My lord, I missed it, my lord.
Missed it.
I missed.
With so many matters, you will miss it.
No. Have your lordship find anything, my lord?
What?
Till, my lord, I am.
Yes, I am finding you are missing it.
My lord, I am not, my lord, no endorsement. That is why, my lord, I missed it.
No endorsement.
Only one thing, my lord, your lordship, can I take it on Monday, your lordship?
Yes.
No. If it is taken on Monday, my lord, then.
No difficulty. On the prayer of the learned advocate representing the board to come ready with proper instruction. List on 12th, Monday. Call the Passover matter.
Last একটাই ছিল 10
His lordship, in this matter, I'm for the petition.
Yes.
But I'm for the statement.
Affidavit, sir.
Yes, what is it?
Lordship, this matter is about to constitute the VEC, the Village Education Committee, and there is a notification by the School Education Lordship. It is appear in page number 19 of the application Lordship that if in one Gram Sangsad, 2 member is there, Panchayat member is there, then the elder one will be the chairman Lordship. Now in my case Lordship, in that particular Gram Panchayat Lordship, I am the elder member from my Gram Sangsad. So Lordship, what happened, then I came to know, firstly I made representation to the concerned authority Lordship that I am intent because I am the fittest candidate. Thereafter I came to know Lordship, it will appear in page number 21 that they have appointed another Panchayat member as a chairman Lordship. It is in page number 21. We have challenged that particular notification Lordship. So this is the case Lordship. I am the fittest candidate for the post Lordship.
1 minute, page 21, decision has been taken.
Yes.
It was held, the chairman has been selected as elected member of
It's a private respondent.
Saipa Begum.
Yes, it's a private respondent.
All right. As per rule number 19, what is it? Please show.
So on the next paragraph, they have annexed that C rule 19. I have not seen. But the notification is the last notification Lordship. This particular notification in page number 19. In case more than one GP member representing the same Gram Sangsad, the elder member will be the chairman and the other will be the member.
You say you are the elder member?
Yes, Lordship. And Lordship, another interesting fact is Lordship, no communication is given to me. No communication. I came to know from different sources, Lordship. No communication is made to me.
Mr. Chattopadhyay.
Learned friend, other place, the page 34. That is the today at 2 p.m. meeting will be held.
That is the reason it has been fixed
Yes,
today.
madam. Before that, madam, whether your lordship can take, madam, it is my duty because the rule 2008 that is specifically provided that the Gram Panchayat being the body responsible for constitution of BSc.
So you say it will go to the Panchayat determination and not to the education determination. Yesterday I was inquiring from him as to whether the primary determination will be proper or not. Prior to you raising this issue, the court has already inquired from him.
Then I have no objection.
No, if this bench doesn't have determination, certainly I will not jump into somebody else's determination to take matters. But then petitioner says, do you still say that it will be taken
Yes,
up
Lordship,
before
the
the primary bench?
Yes, Lordship, the notification is there. There is a violation of the notification. The school department issued this notification dated 7/8/2008, Lordship, in page number 19.
It is because of this that he said that it will be over here.
Lordship, kindly see the controlling authority, they are the Panchayat is the mainly. If your lordship take up.
So there may be
notification may
parallel overlapping jurisdictions also. There may be, because this is the notification that is relied upon where there has been a violation.
Yes.
So you can always come ready with it. You are the state, whether it is by the
No, I have no objection. I am repeatedly saying I have no objection.
Very well.
The controlling
What is your submission with regard to this? The senior most GP should be the chairman.
Subject to your lordship's kind approval. From page 34, it is reflected that today as the meeting will be held. Well, petitioner will participate that whether because it has not
the meeting for what?
For selection of VC. Prayer for taking part in meeting regarding the formation of village education committee. Just the headmaster of the school, he is the main authority to call for the meeting.
Ajibul Ghazi is the petitioner.
Lordship, no.
Habiba Khatin. Who is this Habibullah Ghazi?
Another member.
And then petitioner is also a member. Why has
he has not received it, but it has come to the knowledge. What is I am asking Lordship kindly direct to participate and raise this point.
Lordship, kindly come once to page number 17 and 18. I have made the representation prior to that. Thereafter, they have took a decision. This is appeared in page number 21. And
17 and 18?
Yes, I made representation.
the BDO.
But I am the intended candidate, as I am the fittest candidate, Lordship. Thereafter, Lordship, in page number 21, the chairman has been selected as elected member of Safia Begum. So they have already been selected as per them.
So he participated.
No.
How?
Thing is, chairman is selected thereafter the constitution of the
No,
village education committee
according
will
to
be
the
done.
according to the government notification, headmaster will call the meeting and the VC will be held in presence of so many other members also. So my petitioner may be participate because it has come.
Participating as a member and participating as a
Lordship, keeping the
chairman.
matter subject to Lordship kind approval. Keeping the matter pending, Lordship kindly asks him to participate in the process.
The Lordship
Then
set
the
aside this
outcome
order.
will be determined by
This is bad in law.
1 minute. Please wait. Quorum, controlling authority, composition of VAC. The notification that you are relying upon, it is the same notification which
Yes,
your
yes,
friend
yes.
is relying.
But crux of the constitution, the panchayat constitution of the Lordship last second page. These will be last page.
Composition is the chairman, the secretary, and the members.
Last page. Bottom portion are controlling authority.
Please come.
Lordship, kindly consider for once page number 23. The details of the school is there. Uttar Kusum and XVI. That is the Gram Samsad number. I belong from that Gram Samsad. Page number 23.
It is true, but according to my instruction, she is a senior man in the within the 2 Gram Panchayat. But he should participate in this election, the BC.
But Lordship, already decision has been taken by them. It is appeared in page number 21. Lordship, kindly come to the prayer portion.
1 minute. The writ petition is being taken up on urgent basis. It's taken up for hearing on urgent basis. As it has been pointed out by the learned advocate representing the petitioner, that the village education committee is being constituted contrary to the notification, published notification dated 7th August 2008. 7th August 2008, published by the School Education Department, Primary Branch. Step. The notification mentions that now, as regards composition of the VEC, the notification mentions that Gram Panchayat members, now that the chairman, that mentions that the chairman of the committee shall be selected from the Gram Panchayat member from the concerned Gram Sangshad, and in case of more than one Gram Panchayat member representing the same Gram Sangshad, the elder member will be the chairman and the other will be the member. Paragraph. The petitioner is the Gram Panchayat member from the village Uttar Kusum XVI. Stop. She claims that she is the elder member of the said Gram Sangshad where there is another member. Stop. Being the older among the two Gram Panchayat members, she submits that she ought to be selected as the chairman of the VEC. Stop. The petitioner refers to a communication made by the Shabhapati of Usti, Mograhat 1 Panchayat Samiti, dated 1st of August 2024, addressed to the headmaster of JAYENKUR, FP school, mentioning that decision has been taken by the Panchayat Samiti in its meeting held on 12th July 2024 that the chairman has been selected. That Saipa Begum, the private respondent herein, has been selected as the chairman for the academic year 2024. Stop paragraph. The petitioner submits that no notice of the meeting was served upon her. Stop. Despite she being the elder member, she has been bypassed and the private respondent being selected as the chairman. Stop paragraph. The petitioner has prayed for setting aside the aforesaid communication and has also prayed for stay of the meeting scheduled to be held today, that is 8th August 2024, for constitution of the Village Education Committee. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the state respondents refers to the communication made by the head teacher of the subject school dated 5th of August 2024, addressed to one Habibullah Ghazi of GB Madrasa Shikha Kendro, Ghola, 24 Parganas South, intimating that the VEC will be constituted in favor of Jayanpur FP School, and the said Habibullah Ghazi has been requested to take part in the meeting scheduled today at 2 p.m. Stop. It has been submitted that the petitioner may be directed to participate in the meeting and raise the issue of selection of the chairman. Stop paragraph. Prima facie, from the documents annexed to the writ petition, it appears that the chairman of the committee has already been selected. Stop. The committee, however, will be constituted in its meeting scheduled today. Stop. Next. The petitioner is directed to participate in the said meeting. Stop. The result of the meeting shall be produced before this court on the adjourned date. Stop. The selection of the private respondent as the chairman of the committee shall abide by the result of the writ petition. Stop paragraph. Let notice be served upon the non-appearing respondents intimating the next date of hearing. List the matter once again on 20th of August. Puri.
Lordship, to be mentioned.
Why to be mentioned? It will be taken up. Affidavit of service is taken on record.
May I take back the Malad?
Take
Lordship,
back your notification. Take it back.
Lordship, only one problem, Lordship. Without this order, the school authority will not allow me. The
Yes.
school.
Mr. Chattopadhyay will communicate. The BDO and others, they are there, and I will ensure that it can be uploaded within this time.
I'm so grateful, Lordship.
এটাকে একটু তাড়াতাড়ি করে পাঠিয়ে দেবেন তো।
I'm appealing for the state respondent led by Mr. Chotto.
Yes.
I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner.
এইটা তোমাকে বলবি
The last occasion matter was taken up, but this is will not got the copy, the affidavit of service as well as the copy served upon the kept on record.
এটা কি এটা 10 কোন কালে আজম
না না অনির্বাণ মাঝি এর আগের দিন কপিও দিয়েছে তোমার এর আগের দিন কপি
কোনটা কি দিলি রে
ওই তো অনির্বাণ মাঝি ওই তো অনির্বাণ মাঝি
Again,
I
Malad, may I place the case?
today is a bad day for you.
Yes, my lord. That matter I was ready.
Yes.
Malad,
Your lordship, kindly, my lord, Monday. My lord, that matter, my lord, I was ready, my lord. I have
place the
taken
case.
Better.
my lord, item number 9.
Item number
My lord, I took
cited 10.
adjournment, my lord, this matter.
I
What
place
is
the
your
case.
prayer?
Yes, yes. Well, I place my case, Malad.
All right. Start.
But,
Start.
This matter relating to Malad 2022 selection process, Malad.
কাছে এরকম করো না
Being eligible candidate, Malad, I participate in the selection process, Malad. And the selection committee, Malad, being eligible candidate, call for interview, Malad. I participate in the interview process and fullest satisfaction, I give the interview, Malad. Thereafter, Malad, my name not featured in the merit list, Malad. Thereafter, Malad, another interview letter came to me, Malad. Kindly take, Malad, the second interview letter. I place the first interview letter, Malad, which is annexed with my writ petition, that is page number 54. Got it, Malad? 4th
Yes.
April 2023. This is first call letter, Malad, for interview.
And
Now,
the
Malad,
date-
kindly turn
and the
page number
date,
56.
date of interview is 8th of May
8th of
2023.
May 2023. Malad.
Yes. Next.
Kindly turn, Malad, page number 56.
56.
And the heading is very interesting.
Yes.
In compliance of the Honorable Court Order dated 11th April 2023, High Court at Calcutta in Mat 1725 of 2022 and other similar cases for interview and aptitude test could not be taken by the West Bengal Board of Primary Education for the following candidate. And my name featured in serial number 185. Although I appeared in the interview process, my lord, page number 54, they where they stated before the Supreme Court, my lord. Or kindly turn page number 55. In the counter affidavit, in the matter, my lord, I just placed that order. What happened, my lord? Initially in the selection process, my lord, whosoever the pursuing candidate, D.El.Ed pursuing candidate of the year 20 to 2022, they, my lord, initially, the board initially allow them. Thereafter, my lord, in this Sravani Nayak case, my lord, the division bench, my lord, say, caused that notification because no, they are not eligible. Thereafter, they went up to the Supreme Court. And before the Supreme Court, my lord, the board deposited the affidavit. In that affidavit, my name is featured, my lord. Although I participate in the interview process, they says no, this candidate not yet participated. So, although I participate in the selection process, I participate in the interview process, they says there. So that's why they not allow me in a zone of consideration, my lord. Kindly place them the whole details of me, whether I come into the zone of consideration or not, or they disallow me, and why they disallow me. Why they disallow me, I inquired in their office, my lord. Kindly turn page number 53. That's my online application. Physically went there. Why this happened? They says in your online application, you mentioned, kindly take the name of the examination, training qualification. Training, got the training qualification column. 2-year diploma in elementary education, D.El.Ed, West Bengal, appeared state from West Bengal, examining body, West Bengal Board of Primary Education. Session, very important. I mentioned the session, 2019 to 2021. Pass, appeared, pursuing. There are 3 options. I mentioned appeared. So already I appeared in the selection process. That's why I mentioned the appeared. I not mentioned the pursuing candidate. They treated me as a pursuing candidate. Although I mentioned the session and the year of passing 2022. Similarly situated candidate, they considered, they got appointment. But for my case, they not considered me and they not give appointment. That's my case altogether. I never mentioned I'm a pursuing candidate. There was 3 options: pass, appeared, pursuing. I was appeared candidate in the year 2019 to 2021. They treated me as a pursuing candidate. So they are wrong. Well, my respectful submission.
But then, assuming you are treated as a pursuing candidate,
they never say so. They never say so.
Why will your name be
the board
appearing in
is a
the
better place? They ought to give the answer. Why they put me that I never give the interview? And there is, my lord, kindly take the rule. I also annex the rules. Rule is very clear about it. Rule 8, procedure of selection, page number 47. The rule starts from page number 43. I place the rule. Procedure, rule 8. Got it, my lord?
Yes.
Procedure of selection. The selection committee shall make prima facie scrutiny of duly filled application form submitted by the candidate having qualification as mentioned in rule 6. So, selection committee, they ought to scrutinize my application form. So, I believe they scrutinize under rule 8.1. They got me eligible. That's why they issued the interview call letter. Thereafter, rule 2.8.2, the selection committee shall call all qualified candidates. So I am a qualified candidate. After scrutinize, being a qualified candidate, the board call me. But thereafter, they says before the Supreme Court, I never gave the interview. That's my case, my lord, altogether. They not even considered me in the selection process, my lord.
Monday, Your Lordship. No, I was reading item number 9, man.
Anyway, please come. The petitioner participated in the recruitment process for appointment of primary school teachers initiated in the year 2022. being found eligible, he was issued a call letter for interview on 4th April 2023, and the date of interview was 8th May 2023. Stop. The petitioner participated in the interview. From a document annexed to the counter affidavit filed by the West Bengal Board of Primary Education in the Supreme Court of India in special leave petition within brackets C number 12660 of 2023 within bracket Showman Paul and others versus Shravani Nayak and others. The petitioner came to learn that his name was incorporated in a list submitted before the Supreme Court in respect of candidates whose interview could not be taken. Stop. Next. The petitioner submits that as per the procedure for selection, mentioned in the West Bengal Primary School Teachers Recruitment Rules, 2016. Rule 8.1. The selection committee, after being prima facie, after prima facie scrutinizing the duly filled up application forms and after being satisfied that the candidate have this qualification, the selection committee shall call for interview, viva voce or interview, and aptitude test. Stop. It has been submitted that the selection committee must have been satisfied with the qualification of the petitioner and his eligibility, issued the interview letter. Stop. Paragraph. The petitioner has prayed for a direction upon the respondent authorities to consider his candidature as a trained candidate in the selection process.
And give a point.
The petitioner has also referred to the application made before the board disclosing all his training qualification, wherein it has been mentioned that he appeared for the 2-year diploma in elementary education course from the West Bengal Board of Primary Education in the session 2019-2021. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the board seeks time to take instruction in the matter. List on 14th of August. What is this? You can take this back.
The order, the division bench order, the mention in.
Is it required?
If kept it,
Very
because of that, by the dint of this order, 2022 session, that notification cancelled. That's why,
very good.
Item number 9, I was otherwise ready.
9, who was there?
Time for the petition.
You are ready?
Instead of item number 9, I thought item number 10, the brief was in.
Then give the file. Dekhi, Noir file take to dekhi. But the file has gone.
My mistake, my absolutely my mistake.
I don't know.
It's absolutely my mistake.
Item number 13.
Who is there in 14?
Item number 14.
Board has not been served. Not been served. None appears on behalf of the petitioners. List in the combined monthly list of September. Service in the meantime. Add up one more paragraph. The writ petition has been filed by 35 petitioners by depositing only one court fees. Leave granted to the advocate on record of the petitioners to deposit the deficit court fees in the course of this month. Call the next matter.
Item number 15.
My lord, 15, my lord, I am for the petitioner. My lord, though it is a transfer matter, my lord, but still it's a mutual transfer amongst, my lord, 3 persons and within the district. So board in no way is involved that board is overburdened. It is for the chairman who will take the decision.
I'll take it up on the 9th, but then tell me, 3 persons, how are they arranging?
Suppose, my lord, I am giving A, B, C or 3 assistant teachers, my lord. They jointly make an application. A will go to C school,
C will go to B and B will go to A.
And my lord, previously the council, some other council has given that order. I have also.
Did you serve?
Yes, my lord. This is my service. Bardhaman DPSC, my lord.
Who is appearing?
My lord, normally Mr. Shoibal Acharya appear.
I'll take it up tomorrow.
Yes,
let us see what happens. Intimate Mr. Acharya once. Not today.
Item number 16.
Well, item number 16, my lord, transfer matter, my lord.
Tomorrow?
Yes, my lord.
Not today.
And this is inter council transfer, my lord. I will give a copy to my learned friend, my lord.
Copy may be served.
Yes, yes. I give the copy tomorrow, my lord. Written exposition, my lord.
Yes, yes, it will be there.
I did check my copy.
17.
17, I am for the petition.
Yes. What is the matter?
Lordship, matter relating to Lordship, petitioner was appointed as teacher in the year 82. Thereafter, he discharged his duty till Lordship 23rd June 2011. 23rd, not 23rd, 22nd June. Therefore, Lordship, when the political scenario has changed, Lordship, left party lost the election and he was going to school on 23rd June 2011. And he was prevented to attend the school and threatened to be killed. Thereafter, Lordship, petitioner submitted complaint to the police station to give him protection and explaining the everything, Lordship. And he was absent due to political turbulence, Lordship, up to 24 February 2014. Thereafter, he has reinstated and retired from service, Lordship.
30th of April 2015.
15, Lordship.
Yes.
And his leave has not sanctioned, Lordship. This reason he did not get his pension gratuity. And thereafter, Lordship, he filed the first writ petition and writ petition was disposed of, directing to consider the representation of the petitioner. And thereafter, the second writ petition filed and the reason order, Lordship, that is the impugn order, page 69.
Who will be representing Purva Mednipur? Paschim Mednipur. Who is representing?
I have communicated and also informed.
Ranjan Shaha.
Yes, yes, Lordship.
Where is he?
Yesterday he was there.
Give a phone call to him, please.
Actually, my lord, the order of the district primary school council is under challenge. My lord, two grounds, my lord, on the two grounds it has been rejected. First ground, he was joined in 2014, my lord. Council says that without any order he joined. That is ridiculous also. And second one is, my lord, as per leave rules, my lord, leave rules, there is, my lord, in case of special circumstances, extraordinary leave can be granted by the council up to 24 months. That is the reasons for.
Yes, then what happened to the teacher?
After 24 months,
Yes.
there is no rule is silent.
Yes.
So, in that case, the Commissioner of School Education may consider. Otherwise, he have to substantiate his case that I was prevented and
Was he paid his salary? Is lordship? Is lordship?
Till retirement lordship. After 6 months or 4 months of rejoining, till retirement he get the benefit. Salary lordship.
Salary from the state government?
Is lordship. Salary paid by the chairman.
But chairman says without approval, he was joined. If you also have a look into this page 69, bottom portion.
No, his service book record is over here.
Bottom portion. Council itself says that rejoin the school without any order of the council.
Rejoin.
Rejoin school, bottom portion of 69. It is seen from the available record that the petitioners were told order was absent from the school on 23rd June 2011 to 24th February 2014 without any cogent reasons. The long absence beyond 25 months cannot be sanctioned from this end, and the prayer for such absence may be considered by the DAC with proper papers, that is medical certificate, etc. It is also said that the petitioner such and such rejoined in his school on 25th February 2014 without any order of the council. So, in this context, the pension of the petitioner may be released by considering the last working day of 23rd June 2011. Accordingly, when is considered. So,
See, in last 23 lordship, petitioner paid some amount, provisional amount lordship.
My lord, may I supplement? My lord, I am appearing for the district primary school council. My lord, I have taken just one oral instruction that the petitioner is getting now provisional pension. Provisional pension is in sanction. Now, my lord, he was absent from school 23rd June 2011 to 24th February 2014, as per their my lord, instruction, for 978 days. Now, my lord, this period, my lord, that is to be regularized. Now, my lord, if it is, my lord, without pay,
since he did not work and there is no provision
to pay,
pay
the back wages.
Don't pay, let it be without pay.
Without pay, that is the thing, my lord.
Rules is saying that without without pay.
Therefore, my lord, this is to be done by the my lord, not by the my lord chairman cannot
do this. You want the commissioner to do it? Please file some written instruction. You file some written instruction. Relying on which the written instruction can be given, and all the details should be there.
There, my lord.
Please come.
I have only taken the my lord oral instruction.
The petitioner
Deputy
is a retired primary school teacher. He is aggrieved by the order dated 22nd February 2023, passed by the chairman in charge of Paschim Mednipur District Primary School Council, rejecting the prayer of the petitioner for grant of pension. Stop. Learned advocate representing the council submits upon instruction that provisional pension is being paid to the petitioner.
It is sanctioned and it is paid.
Sanctioned.
Sanctioned and paid.
Sanctioned and paid.
My lord, he is getting my lord provisional pension.
Provisional pension has been sanctioned and paid to the petitioner. Stop paragraph. As there is a long period of absence of the petitioner from school, accordingly, the said period is required to be regularized by the higher authority. Stop paragraph. Learned advocate representing the council is directed to produce written instruction from the council.
Lordship.
2 weeks.
My lord.
22nd of August.
My lord.
List on.
Kindly let it be taken out 23rd or 24th.
23rd.
Whatever.
23rd.
My lord.
এবার কি মামলা ডাকা হবে বলুন তো? একটা থেকে টাইমটা দেওয়া হলো কেন? লিস্ট তৈরি করেছি কেন এই টাইমটা এখানে একটা সময় দেওয়া হলো? এইটুকুনি লিস্ট রয়েছে।